to Kirk Kooks. It's that time of the week again, it's Pizza Wednesday, and of course we're making a Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles pizza. This pizza comes from episode 44, Pizza by the Shred. Toppings on this one, peanut butter, avocado and extra pickles. We've not used peanut butter before, that's a new one. So is avocado actually. So I've already got my dough ready, it's been proven. So, let's dough. So we'll just get this stretched out. Okay, so let's get this topped. Okay, so with this peanut butter, avocado and pickles one, I'm going to split this in half. One half, the sauce is going to be peanut butter, and then the other half, it's going to be regular tomato. So then we'll have a little sprinkling of mozzarella cheese, then some avocado. Just going to put this on in little chunks. Then we want some pickles. And then on the side with just the tomato, we're going to add some little bits of peanut butter. There's some blobs. This is actually crunchy peanut butter because the last one was smooth, so I thought we'd make this side a little different. Very small little sprinkling of cheese on top of this. One peanut butter, avocado and extra pickles pizza. Done two different ways. And that is now ready for the stove. Okay, so our peanut butter, avocado and pickles pizza is ready to come out. So that is our finished avocado, peanut butter and extra pickles pizza with peanut butter as the sauce on one side and a regular tomato sauce with clumps of peanut butter on the other side. Okay, so our peanut butter, avocado and extra pickles pizza cooks two different ways, which means I have to eat at least two slices. Or at least try two slices. The middle mark is there where we change the bases, so let's cut this down the middle. So the peanut butter smells good. I love peanut butter on most things, to be fair, so I suppose that's at least one good start. Cut a slice off there and a slice off there. So let's first try the side with the peanut butter as the base.
Weird pizza? What's your pleasure?
I'd like to order a pizza, peanut butter and avocado with extra pickles.
Extra pickles? I see.
I could actually eat that. That's not even that bad. I am one of these weird people who can put peanut butter on just about anything and I think it tastes great. One of my favourite snacks is peanut butter and celery. That actually works. I think it's because of the peanut butter, but yeah, that works. I actually quite like that. So now let's try the side with the crunchy blobs of peanut butter on top of a tomato base.
Peanut butter and avocado with extra pickle.
Not as nice. In fact, nowhere near as nice. And this side with the peanut butter base isn't really true, I don't think, to the cartoon, because when you watch the cartoon it always looks like a cheese and tomato pizza with just the stuff on top of it. So the side that is true to the cartoon isn't very nice, to be honest. Let's have another little try. Yeah. The side with the peanut butter base, really nice in my opinion. I'll probably actually eat all that. This side's okay, it's not terrible, but it's nowhere near as nice as that side. Note to self, PB&J pizza in the future. So, we've had one of our rare sort of successes, because I might actually eat all that. I might try that one a little bit more, but I'm not overly keen on that side, but this side, yeah. So that'll be everything for today. I'm going to go and at least eat all this.
Oh, those turtles! They'll pay dearly for this!